In this episode, I will show you the 4 best budget TKL mechanical keyboards in 2023. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check out description below. Let's get started. On number 1 we have Magegi TKL keyboard. Characterized for being linear and smoother, slight key sound has no paragraph sense with minimal resistance, but fast action without a tactile bump feel, which makes it easier to tap the keyboard. All 87 keys are no conflict. Allow multiple keys to work simultaneously with high speed for a reliable connection. Have 12 multimedia keyboard. Great for gamer, typist, programmer, writer, etc. Stylish black gray mash up 75% layout. Double shot injection, non-slip suspension keycap. Splash-proof design. Durable metal panel enough to protect it from scratch. Also firm kicks and feet adjustable typing angle. On number 2 we have Velocifier Keyboard. Velocifire mechanical keyboard is designed for copywriter, programmer, editors who spend many hours typing every day. You will get better at typing speed and accuracy through Velocifire mechanical keyboards. Low noise switches have a tactile bump for feedback with every key press, offering tactile typing experience. It is slightly quieter than Blue Switch, but louder than a regular membrane keyboard. A great mechanical feeling keyboard for office. If you never used a mechanical keyboard before, please think about whether you can accept its sound first. A TKL keyboard is supple for a programmer. It provides a standard layout keyboard without the numeric keys. With this design, it can fit literally anywhere. Use TKL or compact-size keyboards. You'll be amazed how much space you save, and it'll be much easier to reach for your mouse. On number 3 we have Blackwidow Lite keyboard. Zero compromise mechanical switch for speed and accuracy. Razer orange switch technology provides tactile feedback with a quieter click, requiring 45 G of actuation force. Ideal for most gaming and typing experiences. Further reduces key noise, travel distance, and typing fatigue. Individually backlit keys. White LED lighting with full brightness control beyond the customizability of zone-lit keyboards. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. A 10-keyless design with a detachable USB cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. On number 4 we have Roccat Vulcan keyboard. It is a 10-keyless variant of the award-winning Vulcan keyboard family. This smaller form factor means gamers have room for a larger pad and can use a bigger range of mouse movements, ultimately giving them greater accuracy. The tactile Titan Switch Mechanical delivers the industry's best in speed and responsiveness. The Switch adds to a comprehensive feature set that gamers know and love. The low-profile design is engineered for comfort, impressive durability, and build quality thanks to its reinforcing black anodized aluminum top plate. Switches rated to 100 million keystrokes, dedicated mixer-style audio controls, and perky AMO RGB lighting. So these are some of the best budget TKL keyboards to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.